RV-8 is extremely versatile, capable of speeds of up to 230 miles an hour. It can hold, land short, as slow as 50 miles per hour, enabling them to access almost any airport.
And low. And
Clear communication again from the lead pilot to the wingman.
setting up an internal series inverted zone.
Probably one of their most difficult maneuvers, and it's just great to photograph. If you got the slow motion feature on your smartphone, you may want to set it up on this one now. Watch as they basically wrap themselves around each other down the main line now, aerobatic box. Together,